Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you all how I blow dried and flat ironed my cousin Crystal's hair. So she is coming up on 3 years natural. We were all just chilling around the house this particular night. You know how it is when you're with family and it's like, oh, let's do some hair. So that's what this video is going to be. I didn't get footage of her shampooing and conditioning her hair, but I would definitely leave those products down below in the description box if you're interested. Also, this video was filmed in December, I think like the 27th, which is why you still see Christmas decor in the background. So I'm just going to start out by detangling her hair with a wide tooth shower comb. Also, this is what her hair looks like after about 20 minutes of air drying. And yeah, I'm just going to use the Infinity Pro by Garnier blow dryer on the highest settings just to go ahead and get her hair dry. And I'm also going to be using a wide tooth comb and also a dimming brush to not only get the hair dry, but attempt to get the hair a little straighter, which will help when we begin the flat ironing process. Also, I did use the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant off camera, and this shields the hair up to 425 degrees from heat. It also reduces frizz and flyaways, and it's infused with shea butter to soften the hair and add a light hold. So after I assume that I'm done blow drying the hair, I like to massage at the roots just to double check, because sometimes we can tend to get those strands straight, but the roots will still be a little damp. And so I just went ahead and blow dried that middle section a little further. Now I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron the hair, and I like to just start from the back and work my way to the front, taking small sections. I'm using the chasing method to straighten out my cousin's hair, and that's basically the process of running a comb through your hair at the same time using a flat iron to straighten it. And even though like I could have gotten away without using that chasing method at all on my cousin's hair, I just feel that my hands are kind of used to going in that motion when I do hair, and so that's what I went with. Also, I am taking small sections. I feel that if you're going to straighten the hair, that you should straighten the hair, you know. So smaller sections just ensures that I'm able to get very close to that root, and then the hair is straightened like all over, you know. Because if you take a larger section and then you kind of felt at that root, it wouldn't really be that straight because your section is too big. Hope y'all got that point. So yeah, despite these clips being in fast motion, I definitely took my time, you know. Also, I don't really remember what we set the flat iron to. I know it wasn't like for anything, but the heat protector does protect up to 425 degrees. Definitely just set your flat iron to whatever temperature you feel will work best for straightening your hair. So this is what her hair looks like after I've pretty much straightened it all over. It's nice, soft, silky, and straight, and it still has a lot of bounce and movement since the products that we used are lightweight as well. Oh, disclaimer, this is not sponsored. Like, I'm just mentioning the products because I know that people are interested in what we use. So yeah, I think that her hair would have gotten like nice and silky and straight regardless. I'm just telling you all what products that we used in this video, and I'm just going to define that part because I forgot to ask her which side she wanted it on. And now we're going to go ahead and do the edges, because your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. So I'm going to take my 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin, New York, and that's my small one that I usually keep in my purse, just in case you're like, why is it so small? So yeah, I'm going to use my edge brush, and I like it because it has boar bristles on one end and a comb on the other end, and it's just perfect for laying the edges. I did just kind of do like some little swoops on her edges because that's the way I normally do mine, so it's the way that I'm kind of more comfortable and used to doing them. So I know that laying your edges is definitely a preference, so just definitely do yours the way that you would like, or if you don't really like your edges laid or swoopy and things like that, do them the best that you feel accommodates you. I was just kind of playing with her edges like a whole lot. I don't know, I think it's my thing. I'm just going to repeat that same process on the other side, and then I'm just going to define her part a little bit more so that it's nice and straight, and then I'm just going to brush back through her hair just once more, and I was just kind of playing with it a lot again. But that's pretty much the finished product of how I styled her hair. Oh nope, no it's not. Also after that, I went back in with the Cantu anti-break oil, only one drop, just to keep her hair nice and flowy and light, and then I'm just brushing through her hair once again, still nice, silky, and straight. I'll put it in the description box. I'll ask my cousin, I'm about to text and ask her how long she wore her hair straight like this. So it did definitely last her a long time. Also, I do have some vlog footage of just how we ended our night together, just sitting around chilling and things like that. For those of you that like my vlogs as well, questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Yes, yes, yes. Hair on fleek. Y'all probably already saw this shirt in another vlog. Vlogmas Day something, I don't know, but Christmas related shirts. I won't get much wear out of them, so I figured I should put it on again before I stuff it away in the drawer. I attempted to fix my hair today. We got action today. Now we got company, and I'm about to show y'all because I did my cousin's hair today. Y'all know I get excited when we hear company. I straightened her hair today. Next month she'll be natural for 3 years, and her hair comes all the way down to here. Like all the way down, like bra strap length. For those that do the length check t-shirt things. It's like super silky too. Like, look at this. BOON doing our auntie hair. BOON said y'all don't want to see her, so I'm just gonna show y'all my auntie hair instead. Woo! She used the hot comb, and then she's using the Remington flat iron. Oh man, my camera came on too late. She was just shaking her hair, y'all. My auntie feeling herself, don't know how to act. I just did my auntie brows, y'all. Look how long it is, y'all. Look at that brow.
You did a good job, Mom. Oh, really? You haven't
She said, She acting like mama. BOON got the edges on fleek. Edges on flat. Show y'all the back. Look at that length. Yeah. Okay, you can look at it now. We just filmed her, y'all. She ain't even looked at it yet.